Not a very exciting day today.
Oh no, it is an exciting day today.
Good morning, it's day 9.
Yes.
And we are in
Logrono.
Logrono.
It's an exciting day today.
And it's an exciting day today because
it is a rest day today.
Yep.
It wasn't entirely going to be, but we've replanned a little bit because we found that we can do longer days than we thought. So rather than lots of short days, we've agreed with the kids we'll have slightly longer days and then more rest days. So today is a rest day.
It's a rest day and it's a laundry day. So this backpack on my back does not include all of my stuff. It includes all of our dirty washing.
Yeah.
So
we smell.
We smell. So the clothes that we're standing up in is the freshest that we could get on our bodies. And we're going to go and we're going to have a proper wash of the clothes, proper tumble dry, and then we'll be ready, set to go tomorrow, which is a 30k day. So we're quite looking forward to that. So we landed here in Logrono
About 4:15 yesterday afternoon.
And it is a beautiful city. I think we're going to have a look around today, aren't we?
A bit later on.
So a little bit later on today, we'll take you around, we'll show you the city. It's absolutely buzzing last night. So after the siesta, people were out and about enjoying the bars. So we're going to show you a little bit of that later on. But for now, we're going to the laundrette. Thank you, laundrette. All nice clean clothes now. Are we happy?
Very happy. Everything smells nice. We smell good.
We smell good now. Thank you, laundrette. Okay, so we just stopped off at the Panadera. Just behind us there, we've just grabbed a stick of bread. So we're going to grab the stick of bread. We're going to go and grab some ham, some cheese, some chips, I expect, some crisps, and have some bits and pieces, and we are going to find ourselves a nice quiet area where we can sit down and picnic.
So it's the end of day 9. It's the end of day 9 and we've had a rest day today. As you've seen, some of the things that we've been doing, catching up on laundry and editing and emails and work and all that kind of fairly boring but necessary stuff. So we've just been out for dinner. We've just had some tapas downstairs in a bar. We really love this city. It's got such a nice vibe. And then we just had churros with chocolate. And then the boys have had ice cream. So we're all sorted and ready to get ourselves to bed, ready for another day of walking. And I can't believe we've done 7 full days of walking. It's like our first stage is over.
Or even 8 full days of walking.
Or even 8 full days of walking. Yeah. It's so funny how actually over time it kind of blurs a little bit because each day is quite similar in its structure. And although you're seeing different things every day, there's a similarity to them. It's paths and rolling countryside and hilltop villages and all of that. And so actually we were trying to work something out yesterday and we were kind of like, oh, what day was that? Was that yesterday or was it the day before? And nobody really knew. So it's funny how it kind of goes into that sort of...
So what we thought we'd do today is just bring together some of the learnings that we got from the first week, because we were looking back at some of the videos. So we were editing and publishing some of the videos from early on, and you mentioned how fresh-faced we looked and how we were so excited about laying out our sleep liners.
How organised we were.
And very fresh smelling. And very fresh-faced and
fresh in both senses.
We had a lot of energy, and it's interesting how as time goes by, actually you start to get into the rhythm of the Camino actually. You know, we didn't know what to expect. I think we probably come into it with a little bit of it's a holiday with a very long walk involved, but it soon started to become a bit of a community very quickly. You start to see the same sort of people, the same sort of faces, you start to know their names, you start to understand their stories, because you're literally just walking pretty much all the time, and the key stops along the way, you're actually catching up with them and you're starting to meet new people. And that, for me and you, isn't it, it's just been absolutely amazing. The stories that you hear and why people are doing it. You know, and I always like to ask, you know, what have you brought along that you wish you hadn't, and what haven't you brought along that you wish you had? And some of the stuff that comes through are really quite interesting. We'll share those over the coming weeks. But yeah, for me, the Camino has started to become a bit of a travelling community, and we've hit where are we now? Keep forgetting. Logrono. I will get these Spanish names correct. We've hit Logrono, and I think some people have continued, and we won't probably see them now. But others we've seen around the town, around the city.
I think it must be quite a common place for a rest day, I think, because there's a few people we know for definite have taken rest days today, and then are carrying on and then resting at Burgos, which is our next rest day in 6 days time.
Yeah, so we just thought we'd give you a bit of an update. We haven't done much today because, like Louis said, it is a rest day for us. And if you are going to start heading out on the Camino at any point, then make sure you do get those rest days in. You will find that you need them. Just your body, unless you're used to walking 30k a day in heat, your body will need it. And your mind as well. I think that's been a challenge as well sometimes, is keeping your mental health going during this period. So yeah. Louise, anything else?
No, I don't think so.
No? So we've all got our laundry done. It's all fresh and ready to be packed back up again. We're going back now to our room. We're going to get ourselves packed up.
Yes, early start tomorrow, big long day tomorrow.
Long day tomorrow, it's going to be a warm day tomorrow again. So we're going to head out early tomorrow morning. I think the kids are up for it again. They're up for fitness starting early, which is actually fantastic. So we will catch with you in the morning. See you well.